Okay, class 8. So today we will start this chapter square and square root. Okay, so this is chapter number 6. So chapter number from this chapter, the name of the chapter is square and square root. Okay, so first you need to identify the square number and then we will move to square root. Okay, so हामीले पहिला चाहिँ स्क्वायर भनेको चाहिँ के हो that you need to identify first. Okay, so you need to know what is square and then we'll move on to square root. Okay, so I have this small whiteboard here, so I'm going to do I will show you some numbers which will uh, give you an idea of knowing the square numbers in a better way. Okay, so here I am with my board, so I'll just write some of the numbers and then we will come to know the concept of square and square root. Okay, so okay, the first in your chapter in your book, in your textbook, you can just go through the textbook also. It's given there, only some introduction part is also given there. So there you can see some introduction is given there, and you can just there is one table given there introduction ma. So त्यहाँनिर तिमीहरूको टेबलमा इट्स written as 1 2 3 4 भनेर दिएको छ हैन. So same कुरा I'll also just let you know what is given there in that book. So I'll just write some of the numbers. Okay, so and then we will discuss some more on that number. So let me write 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are some few numbers: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So up to 10 we can write here. So to understand this square, so let us multiply the 1 with 1, the number itself. Okay, so we are multiplying 1 with the same number, or you can say the number itself. So what we will get? So here is 2, so again we are multiplying with 2. Here is 3, so again we are multiplying with 3. Here is 4. Okay, so what will be the answer? I hope most of you know what the answer will come as. So 1 into 1 is always 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9, and 4 into 4 is 16, and 5 into 5 is 25. So as you move on, 6 into 6 will be 36, 7 into 7 will be 36, 49, 8 into 8 will be 64, 9 into 9 will be 81, and 10 will be 100. And again we can have some more number like 11 into 11 121, 12 into 12 is 144. So 13 and 13, 14 and 14. So you can have so many numbers. Okay, so why I have written up to 10 is because afterward we will just write we will have some numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so यति भरिमा तिमीहरूको most of you know these are the answer that you will get after multiplying the number itself. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2. So here you must have a question here that why we haven't used 0 here. So actually के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ 0 को स्क्वायर, अब what you say, 0 itself is 0 into 0 is again 0, the number itself. So अब हामीले 0 लाई यो केसमा चाहिँ we are not including that number 0. Okay, because we will 0 into 0 the 0 नै हो, but we will not come across the number 0 in any further studies about the square and square root. So when you have to deal with the number or the square later on in various exercise, then 0 into 0 like we will not be like dealing with that number. Okay, that's why it's not very much important that we have to multiply 0 with 0, because मोस्ट अफ द हेयर यहाँ तिमीहरूको अब के भन्छ इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ 0 into 0 इज नट युजेबल, सो बिकज अफ द्याट वी आर नट इन्क्लुडिङ द्याट नम्बर. ओके, सो एउटा रिजन त्यो नै हुनसक्छ. सो देयर मे बी एनी अदर रिजन अल्सो, बट हेयर अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ तिमीले यति बुझिराख द्याट 0 into 0 इज 0. सो हामीले यो कन्सेप्ट अब हाम्रो माइन्डमा राख्दा पनि भयो. 0 into 0 इज अलवेज अ 0. सो 0 इट सेल्फ इज अ समटाइम्स 0लाई हामीले के भन्छ, इट्स लाइक अब भ्यालुलेस नम्बर पनि भन्छ नि त हामीले 0लाई होइन, समटाइम्स. सो समटाइम्स 0लाई भ्यालुलेस, सो समटाइम्स 0 हेज अ भेरी मच भाइटल रोल. इट प्लेज अ भाइटल रोल इन सम केसेस, बट हियर इन दिस केस 0 into 0 इज अ, अब तिमीले यु क्यान से इट इज अ valueless number. So that's why we are not including that. So beside that we will continue with 1 2 3 4 and 5. So यसरी हामीले स्क्वायर नम्बर्सहरु पुरा पाउन सक्छ. ओके, सो